Hey guys, thanks for stopping by Mother's Barbecue. We're continuing our little rub series that we're doing here. Last video we did a Sweethearts cut ribeye with a Montreal steak seasoning. On this one we're going to be doing a Tex-Mex style street taco with a Texas Roadhouse copycat style steak rub. So let's get going. So let's go ahead and make our rub. Again, very simple rub for steak or chicken. And this is it's a Texas Roadhouse steak rub copycat. I've made this several times and it's an excellent rub to have on hand. Again, we're gonna start with some salt, kosher salt, some black pepper, some brown sugar. I got some paprika and some chili powder in here. Got some garlic salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and some turmeric. And a little cornstarch here that'll help combine this a little bit. And that's it, nice little rub. We'll get that mixed up. And I think I'm gonna have to make a little bit more for our steak. This is obviously a single serving. So I will make another batch and we'll get our steaks going. All right, so for our tacos, we're doing some steak. We got a little nice little piece of flank steak here. We got some nice big all natural chicken breast, some skinless breast for some chicken tacos. We're just gonna hit it with our rub. All right, we're gonna let these hang out for a little bit while we get our Weber kettle fired up. All right, so here's our flank steak and our chicken. Just seared it off on some nice hot mesquite, and then when I got some good sear, I moved it over, let it cook for about 15-20 minutes. Internal temp to this got to 135, 140. Here was about 160, 165, and then I tented it with some aluminum foil and just let it hang out for about 20 minutes. Got some nice toasty little street taco corn tortillas there. On our flank steak, we can see our muscles going this way, so I'm gonna go ahead and slice this nice and thin. For our chicken breast, same thing, just nice and thin. All right, we got our corn tortillas, they're street tacos, so they're nice and small. I got 2 each. I like to spread on a little bit of guacamole, or just plain avocado will work. And I like to keep these really simple, nothing fancy. Get a couple nice pieces of flank steak in there. Some of our grilled chicken. And then I like to top it with just a little bit of pico de gallo. And this is just some tomatoes, some onion, jalapeno, lime juice, cilantro, just nice and fresh. And that's it, very simple to do. That Tex-Mex style rub, that Texas rub, awesome. I mean, it's killer. You guys have got to try to make this, and just try it and let me know. I guarantee you guys are gonna love it. Let's go ahead and take a bite. I'm going in for the beef. All right, so there we go. Now you can do a lot of different things. You can add a little cotija cheese to it, cheddar, Mexican cheese, whatever you want. I like it nice and simple. If I had some fresh cilantro, I would add some cilantro on top of that, maybe a little bit of lime juice, but this is what I have and this is what I want. Nice and simple, like I said. So let's give this a try. Nothing beats a fresh grilled steak taco. This is incredible. You guys have got to give that rub a try. Like I said, it's one of my top favorite steak chicken rub. I use this thing on everything. I make a big batch of it. I always store it. Incredible. Let's go ahead and give the chicken a try here. Nice and tender. You get that that saltiness, a little bit of sweetness from the brown sugar, but it just balances well, and it just works with chicken as well. You guys have got to give this rub a try. I'm telling you, it's probably one of my favorite rubs out there. I'm sure you can go buy it. It's called Texas Roadhouse Rub. I haven't been able to find it, but I did find a copycat recipe that I've been using for a while. I'll have the link down in the description below for that, but it is killer. Remember guys, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you guys in the next run. Thanks for watching.